Application of the Smart Module for the Magnetic Track Lamp. Module Installation Guide. Step 1. Set the output current via dip switch according to the parameters of lamp. There are 2 sets of dip switches for the 2-channel module. Step 2. Install the module. Firstly, mount the magnetic power supply box of appropriate size to the lamp. Note that the internal length of the power supply box must be larger than 117 mm. Internal width must be larger than 13.5 mm. Secondly, solder the lamp wires to the module. Then solder the power input port of the module to the 2 pins inside of the power supply box. Assemble the magnetic power supply box. Finally, install the lamp into the magnetic track with DC 48 volts output. Step 3. Match the module to the remote control, Tuya app, smart speaker. 1. Match to the remote control. Repeat powering off and on the module for 2 times in succession. Immediately short press on-off key or zone key of the remote 3 times. The lamp blinks 3 times means match is done. Here, lamp 1 is matched to zone 1 of the remote, lamp 2 is matched to zone 2 of the remote, and so on. Turn on the lights in zone 1, 2, 3 successively. Increase the brightness of all the zones synchronously. Select zone 1 and 3, change the color temperature to warm white. Select zone 2, reduce the brightness. 2. Match to app. Repeat powering off and on the module for 5 times in succession. The lamps start to blink, the module waits for matching. The device can be detected in Tuya app. Turn off CCT and CCT3. Change the color temperature of CCT to warm white. Reduce the brightness of CCT2. Turn on CCT Group 1. Change the color temperature of CCT Group 1 to warm white. 3. Match to the smart speaker. Works with a variety of smart speakers such as Amazon Echo and Google Home, etc.